These affirmations are designed for men recovering from emotional and physical abuse. This recording focuses on strength, resilience, emotional healing, self-worth, personal power, and rebuilding confidence. Let's go ahead and begin. I am stronger than what happened to me. I allow myself to heal at my pace. I release the pain of my past and reclaim my peace. I am not broken, I am rebuilding. Every day I grow stronger in my mind, body, and spirit. I choose to let go of the weight of my past. I am in control of my emotions and my future. My pain does not define me, I define myself. I acknowledge my struggles, but I refuse to be defeated by them. I am worthy of respect, care, and love. I have the power to rewrite my story. I allow myself to feel, process, and heal. My past has made me wiser, not weaker. I am capable of turning pain into strength. I honor my journey and the man that I'm becoming. I am free from guilt and shame. I trust myself to heal and move forward. I am proud of my resilience. I refuse to let my past dictate my future. I am allowed to express my emotions without judgment. I release all blame and focus on my healing. I am patient with myself as I grow. I deserve a life filled with peace and happiness. I am not alone. There are people who care about me. I embrace my inner warrior and rise above my past. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. My self-worth is not defined by what I've been through. I am strong, capable, and a valuable man. My voice matters and I deserve to be heard. I stand tall in my confidence and self-respect. I let go of self-doubt and trust in my abilities. I choose to believe in myself and my future. I honor my needs and set strong boundaries. I am worthy of relationships that support and uplift me. My past does not make me unworthy of love. I am allowed to take up space in this world. I trust myself to make the best decisions for my life. I am proud of how far I've come. I carry myself with strength and dignity. I embrace my masculinity with confidence and wisdom. I deserve success, respect, and abundance. I am powerful, disciplined, and determined. I recognize my value and stand firm in it. I release comparison and embrace my unique journey. I hold my head up high because I'm a man of integrity. I accept myself fully, flaws and all. I take pride in the man that I'm becoming. I speak to myself with kindness and encouragement. I am more than enough. I walk through life with confidence and purpose. I am in control of my life and my choices. My past no longer has power over me. I decide who has access to my energy and my time. I have the right to say no without guilt. I protect my peace by setting clear boundaries. I surround myself with people who respect and uplift me. My strength is not in silence, it is in self-awareness. I am reclaiming my power one step at a time. I refuse to tolerate toxic relationships. I listen to my intuition and trust my instincts. I create a life that supports my well-being. I release the need to prove myself to anyone. I am free from the opinions of others. I no longer seek validation from those who don't deserve my energy. My boundaries are a reflection of my self-respect. I only allow people into my life who add value into it. I stand firm in my truth even when it's difficult. I choose strength over fear. I am responsible for my happiness and I own that power. I let go of resentment and focus on my growth. I refuse to let past betrayals harden my heart. I control my reactions and protect my peace. My life is mine to build, and I do so with confidence. I walk away from anything that does not serve my highest good. I have the power to create a life that I love. I have survived everything life has thrown at me, and I will continue to rise. I am built for resilience, strength, and success. My challenges have shaped me into a wiser and stronger man. I am a warrior, not a victim. I move forward with courage and determination. My future is bright, and I claim it with confidence. I embrace change and growth as part of my journey. I choose to see setbacks as opportunities for learning. I am becoming the best version of myself every day. I trust the process of healing and growth. I have the discipline to build the life I deserve. I am a man of action, and I take steps towards my goals. I am grateful for the lessons life has taught me. I choose hope over fear and faith over doubt. I step into each day with strength and purpose. I release old wounds and embrace new beginnings. My resilience is greater than any obstacle in my way. I attract success, happiness, and love into my life. I have the power to change my story at any moment. I move through life with confidence, clarity, and determination. I trust myself to make choices that align with my highest self. My healing is an act of strength, not weakness. I am a leader in my own life. I embrace my power and own my future. And lastly, I am free, I am strong, and I am unstoppable. These affirmations are designed to empower men, helping them shift from pain to strength, from fear to confidence, and from trauma to self-mastery. I'm here for you. I love you. I support you. I'm rooting for you. And I wish you all the best in your life. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.